there?
Daisy.
You're Daisy. And what are you up to today?
I'm cleaning the windows.
So this is like ENJO lessons with Daisy, isn't it? And you're, honestly, you could be like a mission teach kids how to clean with ENJO.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah.
Because really, we want everyone to use ENJO, don't we?
Mhm.
So tell me, what have you got here?
I got this fiver,
Mhm.
and you can clean windows, mirrors, or shoes on the floor with it.
Oh my goodness, you can do lots of things with that, can't you? Because it's a
Yeah.
real multi-purpose. It's also good for like the door surrounds, the skirting boards, picture frames, and you can use it in every room apart from kitchen and bathroom, can't you?
Yeah.
The kids' room, the living room, the bedrooms, everywhere. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
And it's got two sides. Can you show us the two sides? So a strong and a medium. One for general cleaning and one for stronger cleaning. And then what's this over here in your hand?
The towel.
The towel. Is that what we call them?
Yeah.
Do you remember what they're called?
No.
ENJO fills. So what are you going to do today? Tell us.
I'm going to be cleaning the window.
Oh, you're going to show us how easy that is? Someone's been at that with the fingerprints. Right. And Daisy's obviously feeling inspired because I've just been doing these little doors, which are quite a pain sometimes. So what do we do now? Tell me.
You take one square out of that.
Okay. There we go. Couple. So, right. And
then
then,
you wipe it with this.
okay. You're going to the medium side. Okay. And then if things are really grubby, which really kind of like this Sudocreme actually, you could use the strong side, which is the darker blue side. So I usually use the darker blue side and then I flip over to the medium to kind of lift the last bit of excess water that's there. And good job. And that's just lifted that all off, hasn't it? Let's see, it's all in the glove there. Oh, not smearing that about or nothing. Right, and then with your ENJO fill, what are you going to do now? Because that's needing sorted. Can't be having that drying and having little streaks and smears all over the window, can I? No. Right. Oh, goodness.
Making a squeaky noise.
Because you've cleaned it so well. That is very clean. And that's easy. Look at that.
That's my little sister.
And that little
playing
bit
on the
will
phone.
just dry, leaving you with the perfect streak-free finish. Hey, girl. Good job. See you later.